Hello everyone, welcome to CP Geeks, and today we'll be solving the question calculate money in LeetCode Bank. So Hersey want to save money for his first car. He puts money in LeetCode Bank every day. He starts putting $1 on Monday, that is on the first day, and then every Tuesday to Sunday he'll put $1 more than the day before. So on every subsequent Monday he'll put $1 more than the previous Monday. Okay, so on every subsequent Monday, so he'll put $1 more than the previous Monday. Okay, so given n, return the total money he'll have in LeetCode Bank at the end of nth day. So let's make a vector first, that is LeetCode coins or LeetCode Bank of say length n. Okay, now can I say that is 0th day and then plus 7, right? So the next Monday will be on 7th day, right? So on 7th day, and then on 14th day, if it exists, will be on Monday, right? Will be our Mondays, right? So can I say the on the 0th day, on that is on the very first day, he saves $1, right? So LC of 0 will be 1, and let's run a for loop. बाकी दिनों के लिए हम for loop लगा के iterate करते हैं, and then up to n I plus plus. So what will be the condition अगर 7th के multiples में है, that is if i's percent 7 is 0, then we'll add what? Basically if I percent 7 is 0, then the coins on that day will be the previous Monday में जितने coins किए थे plus 1. He'll put $1 more than the previous Monday, right? So will be equal to LeetCode coins of I minus 7 plus 1, right? Else it would be previous का plus 1, right? So LeetCode of I यहाँ पे लिखा है, right? Every day from Tuesday to Sunday he'll put $1 more than the day before, right? So LeetCode of LeetCoin of I minus 1 plus 1, right? So we'll simply put this condition here. Okay. All right, and we'll simply have to return the total amount, right? So we'll add up the all coins and return it. So int answer equal to 0 for value in LeetCode coins, that is our money answer plus equals to val. We'll simply return our answer. Okay, thank you.